Alright, today I want to be preparing my probiotics stroke multivite, okay, for my birds. Okay, this is what I'm very good at. Alright, and so I'll be carrying you people along. I'll be fermenting my probiotics, my herbs. I'll ferment them so that my birds, I will give them on day 3 or day 4. Okay, I'm going to be fermenting it 3 to 4 days, okay, depending how my schedule is. So these are the things I'll be using. Okay, I'll be using my mint leaf. This is the mint leaf. It has a nice scent. Okay, it has a nice smell. This mint leaf, so it's not much, but I'll be making use of it. I'm supposed to use more than this. Okay, I'll be making use of my ginger. So I have them many here. I'll be making use of my ginger. All right, then I'll be using my garlic. So I buy these things. These things are very expensive. I tell you how much is this one, but they work wonders in the system of my breast. So this is garlic. So I'll be making use of this garlic. Okay, and I'll be making use of my fresh mango leaf. I told you it's probiotics with multivitamins. So I'll be making use of my fresh mango leaf. These are freshly plucked from my tree. Okay, all right. I'll be using yeast, okay, for this fermentation. All right, so and I want to ferment it on these 2 rubbers for my birds, and they will stay for 3 to 4 days. My garlic, I'll be pounding it with the bark, okay, because after the fermentation I will still need to sieve it. So removing the bark, there won't be any need for it, okay, because after the fermentation I will sieve it. All I need is the rare juice. That's what I need. Okay, so let me proceed in preparing my probiotic multivitamin. So I'm going to wash my mango leaf. Please make sure the mango are fresh. Okay, and this one that have all this, don't use it. Okay.
Feel the beat, sunshine bright, dancing on our feet. Dreams we grow in the soil so deep. Harvest time, let the rhythm seep. Farm bass bumping under open sky. Watch them grow, let the good times fly.
I think it's okay now. So we're going to, if you have blender, you can blend it. Okay, some part of it we blended it, and some we pound it. So this is the part that we pounded. So this is, I'll be using everything to ferment it. That's my water. So this is the yeast. So I'm adding it to it. Okay. And mix it properly. Okay. I'm mixing it properly. Oh, the scent is something else. Very nice scent. So I'll be fermenting it inside this. Okay, now this is it. So closing it properly. Yes. Okay, so this is my probiotic multivitamin. So after 3 to 4 days, I will now sieve it and use it for my bird. See you in my next one. Bye for now.